This is the main web page of Wikiloc. So you go to your profile and you click in your trails. Then you go to see the details of your track. View details, okay? In details, well, you have the map, you have the elevation, and you can go to your waypoint, the one with flag. And if you want to see the coordinates, you just have to go here in this arrow, then you can see the coordinates. Okay? So this is what you need to add to this document. You can you just copy this and write it here in landmarks. Okay? I hope this video helps you.